Welcome to Kim Beautyverse. Let's go for a stunning date night look. Smoky eyes, deep lips, and a touch of shimmer for that mysterious glow. Bold, confident, and unforgettable. Let's get it started. For a flawless base, I'm gonna apply my primer. And then I'm gonna apply my foundation. Now I'm gonna sculpt my face with a concealer. I'm trying to create lighter spots. It is as if that I created shadow here. Now it's time to set my T-zone. Now using the same palette, I'm gonna define my cheekbones. I'm gonna use my contour for my cheekbones and a little bit at the back of my eyelid for creating definition and crease, and a little bit on the temples. It's going to be outward because I want to create a lifted look. And this is my nose contour. Now all I have to do is blending. Try to lift it upward. A little bit of golden highlighter to my high points. Ridge of the nose. And then for the final touch, I'm gonna add some blush for my cheeks. I'm gonna continue my blush up to here. And then I'm gonna pass my nose. And then I'm gonna continue with the other side. And a little bit here. As you can see, my skin is totally prepared for that kind of mysterious date night makeup. For tonight, I need a plum eyeshadow color, so I'm gonna take this color as for my transition color. And then I'm gonna apply a beautiful plum color on it. This is my base. I'm gonna add a light layer under my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use my magical palette because it contains a lot of colors. It doesn't matter what I need, it has it all. This is the shimmery plum that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna apply it at the center of my lids, and then I try to blend it outward. Gonna add a shimmer for my inner corners. And I'm gonna extend this shimmer to the center. Okay, now it's time to pay attention to the lashes. Gonna use the volumizer mascara. Now I want to add eyeliner, and I know that it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna add some extra lashes at the end of my eyes. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upward, and then after that I'm gonna fill all the sparse. I'm gonna use my contour for filling my brows. Now to create that bold lips, I'm gonna apply a cherry lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna fill the edges to the center. And then I'm gonna blend it with a brush. Wow! Now I'm gonna set everything with a setting spray. Okay, we're done. As you can see, this look is bold, confident, and it's also mysterious, and it's perfect for date night. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and please tell me what you think about this makeup look. Comment down below for me.